what do you feel the Miami housing market will look like after COVID-19 pandemic ends? What is your thoughts?
Great question. And I think there's going to be a couple changes. I think number one, remarks as we know it will change forever. I think we're going to add new adjectives like clean, spotless, sterile, eat off the floor, and clean as a whistle. So be on the lookout for some of those changes. I think agents are going to be extra aware when they have a listing on cleanliness. I think we're going to go now and not only make sure we make the bed, but I'm sure we're going to spray the doors, make sure the house, is clean, and we're going to really hit the senses really hard. I think from a marketing perspective, I think we're finally going to go into video tour heaven. I think agents are going to realize, how powerful and what an asset it is to be able to show property anytime, any place, all over the world. And I think that realtors after this pandemic are going to be more of an asset to consumers, because guess what? We still have to mitigate, we still have to coordinate, we got to collaborate, and now we have to videotape while being 6 feet away from each other. That's how I see real estate after COVID. Wow.
I love it. Does anybody want to add to that before we go into Q&As? Because that was great.
No, you can't add to that. It should just be.
Toilet paper included as well.